Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the mod. And if you guys are new, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And my name is Emma, and my dad let me do this.
Hey. Happy Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for Honda Civics, this is the place to be. I've seen like 20 or 30 Civics now. A good 10 EF hatches. This is the place to be. Alright guys, so we are in San Bernardino at the Pick Your Part, and this amazing thing just showed up, or I just found this amazing thing here, and some of you guys will love it, some of you guys will be like, what's that guy's problem, right? So here it is, Corolla XRS. So that means this is a 6-speed, boom, 6-speed, 2ZZ, rear disc brakes. Look at these badass disc brakes in the rear. VVT-LI. Somebody took the throttle body, sadly. What? Throttle body. But the engine is still here. That's what, GTS, sound like a GTS. You can swap these into Lotus Elise. Yeah, you can swap these into MRSs. Put it in my Matrix, right? We're going to take all of the masking off now. Again, this is just a temporary solution for the new buyer so that they don't have to drive around in a mismatched colored car. And so I mean, for what it's worth, it's pretty decent. I mean, it could use like a clear, but yeah, here we go. What's up, guys? So I've spent the last 2 to 3 days just working on this car, and we're planning on selling it soon, so if you're interested, just hit me up. But I finished assembling the exterior of it and cleaning up the inside. And when it's for sale, I'll do a tour and a driving video, and I'll just go through everything, and then I'll post it on Craigslist and or Club AE86. But let me just show you what I've done so far. So reassembled the front end, kooky eyelids, kooky corners, kooky GTS front bumper. All panels are done. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hit me up. Swapped out mirrors to the power mirrors. Installed all the rear trim minus taillights. Cleaned up all the windows. Cleaned up all the trim. It's not perfect, but like what I said before, it's just for sale purposes. I mean, the next owner is going to have to will definitely have to repaint it professionally, but just to get it back on the road. This car was, I guess, down for a while, but it was just disassembled. He was planning a bunch of things, but now this is how it looks. Let me go into the interior. Black, almost everything. We're gonna grab this. We're gonna get that soon. And then good condition mirror here. Visors. Interior is decently clean. Needs a vacuum. Been working, so it's kind of dirty. Kooky door panels. Sorry, I'm a little sick. Nothing fits like OEM. Still gotta do the corner cut. That's good. Just do it. Yep. Damn, Gina.